Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. We are going to be talking about a brand new EV startup company. It is Rivian. Rivian is making the first electric truck out there, and it is going to be doing great as a company in my opinion. It has a lot of backing out there. I have been making videos about it before. We have learned some new information about it now, and I did want to share this with you. Before we get down into this and talk about this company, if you can give me the like button, the thumbs up, this will keep me alive on YouTube and share it with the YouTube community. Also, if you are new to the channel, I would ask that you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all so you can get all the videos I put out there for you. And please, I would ask that you take advantage of that promotion that I have. If you use my link down below from MooMoo, MooMoo will give you a share of stock valued from $3 all the way up to $350. If you deposit $100 into that MooMoo account using my link down below, you will get one free share of Lucid stock. So I did want to answer a very big question that a lot of my viewers have been asking me is, when is Rivian going to have its initial public offering date? And right now its IPO date is going to be targeting to be in November of this year in 2021. So industrial analysts right now have been saying that in the next few weeks, we should start seeing that Rivian as a company will be trading. It will be trading as the ticker RIVN. So I will keep you updated into this as well. But this company is going to be huge. It does have a lot of backing out there. It is backed by Amazon. As I have been reporting, Amazon has given Rivian as a company a lot of money. I believe it's been a $1.82 billion as of right now. Over the span of a few years since February 2019, Amazon was its first investor in Rivian as a company. And moving forward, it has had a lot of other investors such as Ford and along with others. But I will be sharing this and some interesting news with you in the next few minutes. But what I did want to say is that we have just seen a lot of very important things that has just come out. And according to its prospectus, because it has had that initial public offering and it did file its paperwork with the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission earlier this month, we have found out that Rivian as a company will make its own batteries. So it will be making its batteries in-house, which is very good news. Right now, it has been getting its battery cells from Samsung as the company, but it will be moving forward making its own compact batteries, and it does have a great technology into doing this. But in addition to this article, we have seen that Rivian will also be going into the European market, which will be very big for this company, and also its stock as well. So these are two very big important things that I did want to talk to you about. But in this prospectus, we have seen that Rivian as a company, it has those future efforts to be producing and manufacturing its own batteries in-house. It will also have a very good proprietary and innovation dual layer approach to making more energy into less space. They will be compacting their batteries. And Samsung right now is currently the sole supplier of the cells for the Rivian truck. And it's reporting it's going to be producing this in its Illinois assembly plant. In addition to having their plant in Illinois, they will also be coming to Texas and one additional place for a total of 2 in the United States, but they will also planning to enter the Western European markets in the near term, and they will also be followed by Asian Pacific markets after that. So it's very good news that they are going globally, and I think this will be very big for this company. In addition to this, Rivian has been looking to expand the way that it makes its revenue. They are not only going to be selling their pickup trucks and their EV trucks and SUVs, they're also going to be using a subscription income. So it does estimate that every vehicle it sells, it will be making about $15,500 in subscription income. According to this article, we have seen that Rivian as a company will be having a level 3 self-driving technology that is already inside the vehicle, but owners will have to pay $10,000 up front in order to activate this level 3 self-driving technology. Does that sound familiar? Well, it should, because they are getting this idea from Tesla, as Tesla is doing the exact same thing. It has everything inside the car. All the hardware is already cooked and baked inside the car. You will just need to fork up that $10,000 to activate that subscription and to activate that software in order to use that hardware to have that self-driving technology. Now, owners, according to Rivian, will also be opting to have a monthly subscription to have a lot more features. And this will be about $5,500 worth of subscriptions that you can get. And this will range anywhere from diagnostics and a lot of other services. The informatics system can also be updated and changed. Also the connectivity. You will also have your own hotspot within the vehicle and have its own internet. So all these subscriptions will be monthly, and it will be a big generator for Rivian as a company, and moving forward, it should be very good. But it has been learning quite a bit of things as a business model from Tesla and other car companies out there as well. Now, I did want to mention in transition into one additional thing, and this is the valuation of the company of Rivian. Now, as you see, this is a graph that just talks about the valuation as the company over time. The last valuation that we had was on January 19th, 2021, when it did offer its Series F stock market price offerings. At this time, it did sell its shares of stock at $36.85 at this time in January of this year. At this time, it was valued at $28 billion with its valuation. But let me take a look and show you and transition here and show you who has been buying into this company. Let me zoom in into this a little bit. So as you can see, the Series A share stocks were sold first to Amazon back on February 2019 for $5.11 a share. So during this time, Amazon had bought $600 million worth of shares at $511 a piece, which gave this company, Rivian, an evaluation of $4 billion. Now, only a few months later, on April 2019, Ford Motor Company did buy about $500 million worth of shares at a price per share of $7.59, which did raise the valuation of the company to about $6 billion. As you can see, we've had more and more offers of share prices that have been over a period of time, with the last one being on January 2021, when we did have Fidelity, Amazon, and a lot of more investors piling in and starting to buy this share price at $36.85 per share. And this did increase its valuation to $28.34 billion. But as I have mentioned, the initial public offering to all investors will be coming out very shortly, and it is suspected that it should be coming out in November of this year. So now I did want to talk about what could the price of the stock be if it does have that valuation of $80 billion. And to this, I would like to transition and bring you back to this graph right here. So this does show you the valuation of the company as the stock price has been increased. Now, as I mentioned, the last one was on January 19th of this year, 2021. This company, Rivian, did have a valuation of $28 billion. At this time, it had a share price of $36.85. So if we do have that evaluation, and if we project it using this graph right now, my estimates are that if we do have a valuation of the company being at $80 billion, the stock price will be right around $108 per share. Now, that is just based on my calculation and my extrapolation using this graph right now. So this is going to be very big news if Rivian as a company does have this big valuation at $80 billion, because its stock price will be worth over $100 per share price. What will this do to other EV startup companies like Lucid Motors? It will make the Lucid stock, the LCID stock, be very, very cheap. Because right now, as we can see, the valuation of Lucid Motors is around that $40 billion mark. But look at its price of its stock right now. It's only trading at $23. So we'll definitely have to see, but this could be a very big movement and a very big potential and a catalyst to move Lucid Motors stock up. and also for this company as well. Now, as of this company has that big backing of Amazon. Remember, in return, Amazon does have the rights and reservations to get 100,000 electric delivery vans from Rivian as a company. So I think these are very big, important pieces of news for this company, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you can, please give me that thumbs up, the like button. I'd greatly appreciate it, and it will help me on the YouTube community. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. If you can continue to share this video with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, I'd greatly appreciate it. And please, I would ask that you take advantage of that promotion that I have. If you use my link down below from MooMoo, if you use that link and open an account, just for opening an account, MooMoo will give you a share of stock valued from $3 all the way up to $350. If you deposit $100 into that MooMoo account using my link down below, you will get one free share of Lucid stock. So this is great news, and I hope you do take advantage of that. But thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate all your support and all your help. Thank you, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.